You are going to love the 2021 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.